subbies, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my September IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So before I get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button, because if you are watching my videos and you aren't subscribed, what are you doing? Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. So let's get into my IPSY bag, September IPSY bag. Okay, so this is what the bag is looking like. So I have to admit, I was expecting something that looked a bit more fallish, but maybe they'll do that for October and November. But I was definitely expecting like a fall type vibe, maybe a maroon type vibe. As you can see, your girl is dressed for fall. But this is what we got, and it's kind of cute. I like the plaid look. Okay, so, and it looks like we have something inside of this package. So hopefully I can remember which ones were my picks. I'm pretty sure this was my pick because I've really been trying to work on my skin. So this is the Jara Radiance Enzyme Scrub. It minimizes pores, it brightens, and it exfoliates and smooths, and it's for all skin types. This is what it looks like, and I'll have the prices as well as the ounces on the screen because they don't always have that, and these are the directions and everything. So you want to use this 3 to 4 times a week. You want to gently massage it into your damp skin, avoiding your eye area, leaving it on for 1 to 3 minutes, and then rinsing off with warm water. So yeah, I am excited to try this. So I am going to smell it because your girl gotta smell everything. It's just me. So let me open it up. Oh my gosh, my nails are making it hard. So hard. I might have to poke a hole or something. Let's see what I got that's sharp, because why do it make stuff so hard to open? Okay, there we go. I think I got it. I ain't gotta poke a hole. Oh, this smells good, y'all. It definitely has a citrus smell to it. I appreciate that. I appreciate products that have a nice smell. So let's open up this bag and get this card out so we can see the thing for the month. So it says work, school, life. And the life is circled. I know that's right. September is definitely it. Back to it. Work, school, life. Whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting and wearing lipstick, more like gloss just to put my mask back on, or catching up on some much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. So that's for September. Okay, so I guess it's like a work, school, life. Like, I guess they tried to make it like, I guess, look like school or whatever. So yeah. So it says your official fall skincare guide. So it has this card here with everything, and it tells you the right order to apply this stuff. So I'm gonna go by this. So step 1, cleanse, of course. Use lukewarm water, not hot, to avoid stripping your skin of its natural oils. 2 is a toner. So consider a gentle toner and ease up on the exfoliating to limit irritation. Got it. Step 3, add a serum. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Hyaluronic acid will be your best friend. 4, apply eye cream. Perk up tired under eyes with ingredients like peptides or caffeine. Noted. Noted, okay? Step 5 is moisturize. A pro tip is to swap out your summer gels and lightweight creams for something richer, especially since we're going into the fall. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need to moisturize a lot more. And last but not least, protect with SPF 30 plus. Yep, even if it's cloudy and rainy. What I tell y'all, it don't have to be beaming outside. Y'all need to use that sunscreen. Y'all need to use that SPF, okay? Because it protects the skin. It helps the skin. UV rays are still harmful, okay? So that's a tip. They do not have the products on these cards anymore. I don't know why they stopped doing it, but they have. So everything that I'll be showing you will be on the screen. So bear with me. So the first product I'm gonna show you is by the brand Murad. It's a clarifying oil-free water gel. It is to moisturize. This is what it looks like. And let's open it. So you want to use this in the morning and the afternoon according to the box. You want to massage it evenly over your face, neck, and chest. And you want to follow with the Murad sunscreen during the day. So this is what it looks like. I really like the packaging. And I'm guessing you hit this here to put some on your hands. And it comes out. You know I have to smell everything. So it doesn't really have a smell at all. But I can feel the moisture. It's like a gel moisturizer. So that's good to have. Very good to have. Okay, so next we have, it is called UOMA Beauty. Cleopatra ink. So this is a liquid liner. I rarely use liquid liners. The only time I use liquid liners is when my eyelashes are like have freaking holes in them because I haven't gotten a refill yet, and like to mask the crazy looking eyelashes I will put on a liquid liner until I can get my refill. But other than that, I don't really wear a liquid liner a lot. So because like why? I don't need it. Like why? But this is what it looks like. And the tip is pointed. So yeah, and this says blacker than black, y'all. Literally blacker than black, y'all. And I love me a black eyeliner. I love me a really dark eyeliner. So yeah, this is perfect, and I have it for when I need it. So next we have a gloss, y'all, a gloss. So this is a Nabla, I think that's how you pronounce it, Shine Theory lip gloss. I love me a lip gloss. I love me a good lip gloss. So this is what it looks like. And let's open it. They make it so hard to open stuff nowadays. So hard. Oh, it's pretty. I love the packaging. Look at the top. I love the packaging. I already know I have gloss on, but I just wanted to smell it, and it smells like coconut. I love the smell, and I cannot wait to use it. I feel like that would go great over your perfect lip combo, your perfect nude lip. Like for instance, I like to do the brown lip liner, a little bit of concealer, and then the gloss on top. I feel like that would be perfect. That would be. And last but not least, we have the Mishko Beauty. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a Lip Shine Sheer Lip Balm. And you can never have too many lip balms because I keep losing mine. I don't know where I put it, but that's what it looks like. And let's open this. So this is what it looks like. Almost looks like a mascara of some sort. Okay, so you open it like that. This looks more like a lipstick, so I'm confused. Like, I'm very confused. Lip Shine Sheer Lip Balm. This freaking looks like a lipstick, y'all. And then they talking about sheer. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try that in one of my get ready with me, so that way I can show y'all how this works, because this is the fanciest lip balm I've ever seen. Oh, let me smell it. I don't really smell anything, so yeah. But yes, guys, that is it for my September IPSY Glam Bag Plus. If you're interested in getting an IPSY bag subscription, whether that's just the Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus, all of the information will be in the description box below. If you're interested in seeing just the glam bag reviews and unboxings, I have a couple of them. I will link some of those older videos below, as well as some of the previous month's glam bag pluses. So if you like this video, give your girl the big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. Until next time, peace.